The 14th Forum Economic Ministers meeting held in Niue has concluded successfully today with a refocus of the agenda to issues concerning the economic development of member countries. Forum Economic Ministers in the FEM Action Plan of 2010 agreed to the importance of expanding the economic base given the challenges foreign island countries face, such as small private sectors and a lack of economies of scale, and this required a host of coordinated actions and vision and leadership. The ministers remain committed to national and regional actions to generate growth to improve the well-being of their people, recognizing the private sector as the key engine for growth. Ministers agreed that the fisheries sector also plays an increasingly important role in the economic and social development of the Pacific region. They agreed that private sector involvement is also critical, particularly in the areas of processing, marketing and exports, while emphasizing the role of governments in establishing an enabling environment. Ministers agreed that foreign direct investment through a competent, well-resourced and credible partner provided the best prospect for development of commercial activities in the fisheries sector. The ministers noted that the global economic crisis placed pressure on government budgets in foreign island countries, and even with a global economic recovery, fiscal challenges are likely to intensify in foreign island countries, particularly as they look to increase expenditure levels in areas key to growth and poverty reduction. They said that improving revenue performance through broadening the tax base and improving the effectiveness of collections is crucial for sustainable long-term fiscal strategies in foreign island countries, in coordination with continued attention to improving the quality and focus of public expenditure and making effective use of development partnership financial support. The ministers also welcome Australia's announcement of a $3 million contribution to the Pacific Region Audit Initiative through a partnership with the Pacific Associations of Supreme Audit Institutions. The Forum Economic Ministers agreed to the need for strategic focus and urgent action to address the management of current and proposed funding for climate change in the region, and in pursuing options for improved access to and management of climate change resources. The focus should be at the national level, and where appropriate, regional and international options should be considered. The ministers requested that the Forum Secretariat, in consultation with other relevant stakeholders, including the Secretariat for the Pacific Regional Environment Program SPREP, coordinate the development of the options paper to explore a range of approaches that could be considered by FEM 2011 and submitted to next year's meeting of the Forum leaders. The 15th FEM will be hosted by Samoa in July of 2011.